Alright, February 3rd, 2024, Tyler Hayes here, 1805 southbounder that met the 343 is here. Let's check him out. It's going to meet 357 at Sheldon. Tier 4 to lead it. $30.92. Q-Train! Q118, 51, 27th, starting from South Shore Terminals, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, heading down to Mark in Pullman, Illinois. Build of the 3131. How about that? I won't mind that. It's wonderful. So that will do it for the Q118 to 51 of the 27th. We'll do it for the 3092 to lead it and the MEI rebuild of 3131 as rear DPU. Was previously GECX Tier 4 demo 2042. So off it goes once again to Mark Meyer in Holman, Illinois, and we'll meet the M357-91 of the 2nd at Sheldon. Signals are set for it already. About that. So I thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.